Welcome to the Facts Factory. Today we will learn the 15 laws of psychological power. Let's begin. Number 1. Humans are selfish. Don't expect others to do you a favor out of the goodness of their hearts. They are more likely to assist when there is something in it for them. You're out of luck if they don't receive an equal amount of what they offer. Never waste time being kind or polite while asking for a favor. Convince them that helping you will solve their problem by appealing to their self-interest and outlining how they'll be rewarded. Make sure they are fully aware of how they will profit in the future. Someone is considerably more inclined to do you a favor if they believe they are benefiting themselves. Number 2. Taking action over arguing. You can argue for as long and as fiercely as you like and still come out on top morally, but winning an argument accomplishes very nothing. Avoid arguing if you want to increase your psychological influence. Let them argue if they want to. Let them feed their own ego if they become defensive. But you are aware that actions speak louder than words. More people will be won over by your actions than by a persuasive argument. Number 3. Hire your enemies. Friends are hazardous on your road to success because we fail to see our friends' errors and put too much faith in their judgment. When you think you can trust someone, they turn around and stab you in the back, which hurts your career. Earn the loyalty of those you don't trust so that you won't be taken by surprise. While hiring someone you don't trust gives you perspective, even if you don't like your enemies. Due to a sense of obligation, your adversaries will likewise be more loyal to you. Your friends play a significant role in your life, but they also have the potential to steal your power. Number 4. Cover up your motives. Think about going to a car shop to purchase a new vehicle when a salesperson shows you a model that you simply adore. You express your want to acquire this vehicle, and the salesman anticipates this and raises the price. Why? You gave him the advantage in the conversation, which is why it is crucial to keep your objectives hidden because of this. Let's return to our earlier scenario. You adore the car, but this time you act as if you couldn't care less. You now have the power. You must be persuaded by the salesperson to buy from him. Most of the time, salespeople will lower the price to entice you. Thus, if you want to increase your psychological influence, keep your motivations a secret, exert control over every interaction, and decide what to do in the end. Provide just enough information to maintain curiosity while keeping your real goals private. Number 5. Watch what you say. The more you speak, the less useful your words are. One of the most significant laws of psychological power is this. Speaking only when required will give your words more impact. Others will start paying attention to you and taking you seriously as a result, and you'll gain their total respect. So, by speaking less, you also prevent yourself from making mistakes. Many people talk out of both sides of their mouths before becoming trapped. They either leak information or make empty promises. Hence, if you're careful with your words, you avoid making these silly errors. You exert psychological control by making sure that every word is precise and purposeful. Number 6. Avoid committing. Avoid making irrational commitments. People get into difficulty because of their commitments as they lock them into one group and put them in a box. You'll lose out if your team loses, too. That's why powerful people don't commit. Instead, they maintain an open mind to various views and perspectives. In order to take advantage of every circumstance, they maintain a foot in each camp. Because they are exclusively committed to themselves, those in positions of power never lose their position. Number 7. Go up high. A strong work ethic alone won't go you far if you want to become powerful. Excellent work goes unnoticed. Long hours are sometimes unnoticed, but those who put in the most effort and gain recognition are the ones that rise to positions of authority and success. No matter how good you are, if you don't stand out, you'll blend in and your work will get lost in the shuffle and forgotten. Thus, use any chance you have to show off your leadership skills and establish your credibility, because if you do, you will be able to succeed in your endeavors before others. Number 8. Effortless success. What do you say after a major project is completed? Do you brag about how hard you worked, or do you claim there were no issues? Play down your accomplishments and make each one seem simple and natural to obtain psychological power, because people will believe you. Even if you spend countless hours on your task, present yourself to the world as someone who is certain and unified. Although the public doesn't need to know, you should never forget how hard you work. Number 9. Support your superiors. You must stick by the letter if you want to move up the ladder. Instead of trying to outdo those in positions of authority, remember that they will be stepping stones on your path to success. Don't turn your superiors against you because you need their assistance. Be your boss' right-hand man, not their foe, and always show support. Your bosses will identify and promote their allies, not their enemies, when the next big chance arises. Making your supervisor feel wiser than they are is sometimes necessary because of this. Occasionally, this entails giving them excessive credit for work that you performed, but if you want to succeed, always remember to back up your superiors. Number 10. Leave anger behind. Do you ever get angry? A destructive emotion on your path to success is anger. You become aggressive, narrow-minded, and selfish when you're angry. When someone frustrates you, they know they've won, they know they've touched a nerve, so they'll keep trying. Become distant instead of getting furious. Anger is a far smaller punishment than ambivalence. Someone's power is taken away from them when you ignore them, and you also make them work harder to get your attention. Intense emotions will influence your judgment and make you more vulnerable to exploitation by others. So, wherever you can, keep your composure and maintain your objectivity. Number 11. The relaxed hurry. Time is frequently used as a psychological power source. Timing and time management skills are mastered by the most powerful people. They not only cram a ton of work into their days, but they also never, at least outwardly, allow their hectic days to get the best of them. They always exude a sense of serenity. They never rush or get nervous. They are consistently patient as they work toward their objectives. Rushing is a bad idea because it makes you anxious and damages your reputation. Your psychological strength depends on maintaining control over time rather than allowing it to rule you. Number 12. Develop your confidence. There will be many stumbling blocks, disappointments, and setbacks in your way. People will encourage you to give up, your luck will run out, and your own brain will get in the way, yet those who give up rob themselves of psychological strength. Hence, if you want to get better, work on developing your confidence. Let your minor victories give you self-worth, and let each triumph give you the strength to face your next challenge. Psychological power includes how you treat and motivate yourself as well as how you relate to others. Number 13. Downplay yourself. Everyone likes to feel smart. If you want to influence people, give them that feeling. Even though playing the fool from time to time is necessary, you already know you are intelligent. You don't need to prove anything since you can appear stupid. Simply put, most people don't care how smart you are, all they are concerned with is their own intelligence. Play to their strengths, give them confidence in their own ideas, and make them feel smart. Only by demonstrating your intelligence will you create adversaries. Number 14. The giant shadow. Are you succeeding a legend, and you must fill that enormous shoe? This is a serious issue. Spilling a huge void initially appears to be an amazing chance. Yet, if your predecessor accomplished remarkable feats, you would have a difficult task ahead of you. You must outperform the person who came before you in order to receive the same amount of recognition. That can be nearly impossible depending on the work. Hence, rather than trying to emulate a legend, try to save your team from certain failures. By doing this, your success will be twice as apparent. Number 15. Remain focused. Develop your strengths rather than just identifying them if you want to gain psychological power. Many people have a wide range of ordinary skills, but they are so busy switching between them that they hardly ever specialize in anything. One of the secrets to success is having specialties. You can develop a talent that is unmatched by anybody else if you focus on one strength. In the same manner, avoid overextending yourself if you want to develop psychological power. Focus on a single goal, endeavor, or direction. Put all of your efforts into that one thing. It has a higher risk, but if you are dedicated enough, the payoff will be enormous. Hey, thanks for watching Facts Factory. Please subscribe so you can see more amazing content in the future.